my 5 top tips be for a pregnancy massage? Well, number 1 has to be, if you are a massage therapist and you are wanting to do pregnancy massage for your clients, it is to have a proper accredited qualification, because most massage or even sports massage qualifications will allow you to work in the middle trimester. But a pregnancy massage, which you can do, I wouldn't do it online, I'd do it face to face, where you do get to work on pregnant ladies. That will allow you to work from beginning right through to 9 months. So make sure you do have a proper qualification. Techniques I have showed you today are all safe techniques, but you do need to be insured for these unless you're working on your partner at home. Number 2, I would say, is client comfort, which is the same for any massage that you do, but in particular you've got to remember you are working with 2 people here. So constantly just ask if the client is okay, and also being pregnant, there can be changes in blood pressure, so just make sure if they're feeling dizzy at any point in the treatment that you do stop. And also there might be a few wee breaks as well involved in the treatment. Number 3 is positioning. If you have looked at the 4 videos we've recorded, I would only work with a supine or face-up position. So when ladies are in their final trimester, you won't be able to lie on their belly. So this massage is great to get to the back. You can also do a sideline position, but just general position and making sure that they do feel comfortable with exposing certain body parts. Number 4 is get feedback on pressure for these techniques as well, because the body has changed a lot through pregnancy, and with the hormone relaxing, certain areas will be more flexible. Just need to make sure, as any massage that you do, that the pressure isn't too much, and for pregnancy it is more of a relaxing treatment. And number 5, I would say, make sure you do get consent to work on the bump or on the abdomen. It is an area, don't think because they booked in for pregnancy massage that is an area they want to have done. And it's a very intimate part of the body, so we do need to get consent for that. But if you do it as a massage therapist, I would say it's a privilege, because you are massaging 2 people and it's an amazing experience. Now we've done upper and we've linked it to lower back massage. Just make sure your client knows you have finished there. And then what you can do is take a towel and just wipe off some of the excess massage lubricant that you've used, and just show them you've finished here. Want to master these techniques to help mums-to-be feel their best? Why not enrol on our accredited pregnancy massage course here in Nottingham and gain the skills to make a real difference?